Rain or Shine coach Yang Giao joining us in the press room as well as best player Christian Manaytay. Coach, finally you achieve your goal of getting 9 wins. Medyo naging elusive siya for a while, but talk about finally claiming that goal.
Mindset lang namin going to the game was yun nga, get 9 wins. Prepare ourselves mentally and physically for the playoffs. The best way we can do that is to come off a win. So, binigay talaga namin yung kaya namin para ipanalo to. No? We did not consider this was going to be an easy game. So, ito maganda yung numbers na nakita ko. 42 assists, 43 fast break points. No? So, this is exactly what coaches dream of. No? Just the ball movement, no? The speed that we played with. Alam namin pagkalaban mo yung Titan, they play almost the same style as we do. They shoot a lot of threes. They run up and down the court. Makikisabay talaga sila sa amin. And sabi ko nga sa kanila doon sa meeting namin before the game yesterday, para tayong dalawang boksingero na standing toe-to-toe. Basta bigayan lang tayo kung sino matira, kung sino nakatayo at the end of the day, yun ang mananalo. No? So ganun talaga yung nangyari na stand toe-to-toe with Titan and you give him what you got, they give us what they have. Kung sino yung nakatayo at the end of the day, siyang mananalo. So mabuti kami yung nakatayo.
Christian, congrats on the win and being the best player. 8 points ka nung third quarter, nakatulong ka dun sa pull away nyo. Ano bang ginawa mong dun sa third quarter na yun?
Wala naman ako ginawang special. Actually, we just run yung system namin, which is yung run and gun nga namin. So, luckily sa run namin, usually yung ginagawa namin kasi ngayon, nag-rim run kami mga bigs so that we get our guards open outside. At the same time, if na-open sila, malibre sila. And yung Titan nag-close out, so ma-open kami sa loob. So, ginawa lang namin yung system namin at yun na nga, nagbunga na parati lang ako open, yun lang.
Well, it's rise and shine here, rain or shine.